Next step is to put your images in a layout. Click on the icon Views and Layouts at the top of the image viewer. Select a preset layout, or you can create your own. The software will set out the dentition as per numbering of the teeth. This layout can then be saved by selecting Print, and the setting options are the grayscale printing or color printing, Microsoft Print to PDF, and the printer viewer being the light table. You can also import an image, for example, earlier X-rays versus those taken today. Click Image Import and select an import option. These can be added to a layout and saved as required.